You?
Morning, sir.
You.
Yes, sir. Let me ask you a question. When school went on holiday for the summer, what color was your complexion?
Wanna see him, them viewers? Me woulda like to ask the Ministry of Education one question. Is bleaching legal in a school? Yeah, tell me say, last year that youth I did blackout. This year him a come back a school. See him there? White out, chalk out. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. Plus, top killer brown man, wanted for murder Westmoreland and crash dummy Yogi. No stop make the Dana use him a Hanover and girl clown blacks. I'll know you not turn in yourself yet. So before me jump in at the reasoning, me gonna know how I go on. Pre this.
You?
Morning, sir. Yes, sir. Let me ask you a question. When school went on holiday for the summer, what color was your complexion?
Some viewers, uno send go call the Ministry of Education for me there. Tell her some want ask them a question. Is bleaching legal in the school them boy? Yeah, tell me say, a youth can black like Dutch pot and by next week, him bleach out him skin, find some nadinola, immediate clear, slap on some gel, and change off, and turn Michael Cake Soap Jackson, and pull up in a classroom, and it's okay? Eh? Me understand, with the ear thing, Say the ear, you did born with that pan your body, That natural, but if you done born black already, brother, why not F up on your skin color? Eh? That for sure, say classism is a big thing, boy, Say the people them really look down on your black complexion, Every man want light skin, Every man want brown out, chalk out and bleach out, So as what me say, my viewers, me know enough of una go say the Ministry of Education not have nothing to do with this. It start at home. Mothers and fathers out there, but enough of una have to remember the mother and the father them a bleacher too, Una forgot who are them idol. So see there, blind a lead blind, me I tell you no more viewers. Babies a have babies, and now when babies grow up, them they even know how to control them own a baby. So see them viewers, me would a like to know if a school pitney bleach out him skin. Is that legal in a school? Eh? That do not tell me now. So you can change your skin color, your gender, your hair, everything boy, and it's acceptable. Jaja Father God. So no walk with me and now. See me, top killer brown man, wanted for be a murder Westmoreland and Hanover. Them man ya import killer them my viewers. Them man no stay one place, You can't have $1 in your pocket and give them money if you go slap where you fly, and he make it happen, So as what me say, brown man, they all over in Hanover, Westmoreland, all over upon them side they are dopey people and a dirt people till see it ya. JCF finally fling up Theme Face pan Wanted Wednesday and say them want him now. Time come, like where Mark Golin always a say, for him bring in himself, or the kill squad a go come for him and come fling 9 ball in him head. So see me my people, brown man, wanted for a portion to murder Hanover and Westmoreland. Squaddy them need him right now. So no walk with me again. See the crash dummy from down in a Hanover where the man them a use him and a press up him button. Yogi. My viewers, the youth them not understand this thing Says a cycle go on boy brother. You have it say you're the baddest man now. People afraid of you now. Guess what? 2 years from now it was a different umbrella run up and down boy where everybody afraid of. And where him there. Dead house or jail house. So as what me say. See me my people. Yogi, big crash dummy from down at Hanover where the man them a use him for go up on works and for step on crime. And at the end of the day, no loyalty no in a badness. I'm own a friend them a go turn him over if squaddy them no force them. So my people, walk again. Girl clown blacks from Cockburn Pen left 30 people homeless. And all know him not turn in himself. Blacks, where you rather? Dead house or jail house. Choose one, Cause squaddy them tell us if you turn in yourself, You do all of this over what? A woman. And as what me say, you really feel like say the woman a go there with your back? No, brother. Done, brother. So at the end of the day, prefer just carry in yourself and go do your time. So my people, Until till next time, stay safe out there. Protect on a tree. You see me?